How's everyone? So we're gonna do a daily skincare routine using our face mask, our rose hip oil, which is right here, and my turmeric and tea tree brightening soap. This is also for acne, if you're struggling with any acne, and also acne scars or acne dark spots or under eye dark spots. This is really good for that. I'll leave the link in the description box if you would like to purchase this. This is 100% natural. It's made with all natural ingredients: shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. It's plant-based and it contains no harsh chemicals, no synthetic colorants, and no synthetic fragrances. I use essential oils to make this soap bar, so you get all the benefits that the plant has. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our skincare routine. This is our daily skincare routine, and we're gonna use those. And we'll also be using our Gua Sha today. This is our rose quartz Gua Sha. This is good for stimulating blood flow, getting rid of fine lines, like if you have wrinkles or anywhere, and it's also good for lifting and sculpting your facial muscles. Like if you have any saggy skin under your chin, or you know, it's really good for sculpting and, like, you know, getting rid of fine lines and wrinkles, and stimulating blood flow so that your products can be absorbed into the skin nicely and effective. So we're gonna go ahead and use these 4 items today, and yeah, you'll just wash it. So I already kind of rinsed my face a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with the soap, with the tea tree and turmeric soap, and face wash cloth using the tea tree and turmeric soap. So I'm applying the soap directly to my face, and then I go ahead and exfoliate just like this all over my face, and then I'll come back. All right, our face is nicely washed. I'm gonna go ahead and pat it dry, not all the way dry, because we're still applying our face mask. This is the face mask that I use. It's it has East African coffee, French pink clay, French green clay, oats, and a lot of other additional ingredients for hydrating and also rejuvenating your skin. And I just mixed just a little bit because I don't want to have any waste, any leftover. So yeah, this face mask is actually going to be available soon on my Etsy shop. I haven't gotten the chance to label it and put some label on it, so you know what it is and all that. So once it's available, I'll definitely let you know. This is a silicone brush that I would use for my face mask. This is also available on my Etsy shop right now. It's available right now on my Etsy shop for purchase. So if you're interested, if you're a person who applies face mask on a daily basis, then this face mask silicone brush is a really good tool to have in your skincare products, with your skincare products. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on the chin and some on the forehead. You know, get a lot of surface to cover here. My huge forehead. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some on my side here. Being careful not to put some on my hair because I don't like when my face mask goes around my hair. This face mask brush is really good. So see, it was just about enough to cover my whole face. See? Alright, and look, it's nice and clean. This is really easy to clean up. All you do is rinse it with water, and then you're all done. You see, all I did was rinse it with water, and it's nice and clean, ready to be used for next time. So I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes for my face mask, and then I'll go ahead and take it off. whenever it's dry, a little bit dry. I'm not gonna let it get all the way dry, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and yeah, wait a little bit and then we'll come back. All right guys, so the face mask is, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, rinse it off with a warm towel, and then I'll go ahead and apply my rosemary oil. Okay guys, so we already washed off our face mask with a nice warm towel. Just gonna go ahead and just make sure there's no excess mask on our face. And at this time, we're gonna go ahead and apply our rosemary oil. It's not gonna be available, it's not available yet. I still have to get my labels ready, but it will be available soon. And don't forget to get your neck. Alright, our face is nice and hydrated. Alright, so our face is nice and hydrated. We're gonna go ahead and use our Gua Sha. This is our Gua Sha facial tool. We're gonna go ahead and apply it so that our product can be absorbed into our skin more effective. And so the Gua Sha is gonna stimulate blood flow, so our the oil and the face mask that we apply can be absorbed into the skin a lot more easier and better. And it's also gonna help us prevent fine lines and wrinkles, and it will also help sculpt our face a little bit. Start applying it. I'm gonna start from my neck in an upward motion. You can go downward or upward, it doesn't matter. And I like to apply a little vibration towards the end. Okay, so now we're gonna do our chin. And you're gonna start feeling a little bit of heat from the stone, and that's quite normal. It's attracting your body. I'm gonna go this way on my forehead. You can go upwards or sideways. We're gonna do our eye. I'm gonna do the eye bag. I don't have any eye bag, but I like to just go over this side anyway. And again, I'm applying a little bit of vibration towards the end just to provide more blood circulation. Alright guys, so we're all done with our face skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you can help support my business and my YouTube channel. But I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro!